Since 2001, the UPS Mould Company Limited was founded and started a business in Changping Town, Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, China. It mainly focuses on the development, production, sales, technology support, and after-sales service of plastic mold parts. It takes the standardization and industrialization of plastic mold parts and the universality and interchangeability of products as its mission. Now we become to be a global food component supplier with 2 global offices in Windsor, Canada and Düsseldorf, Germany, to provide plastic mold component solutions to European and American markets in the plastics industry. The UPS Mould is committed to provide one-stop service for the complete processing of plastic mold cores, cavity and parts by customized requirements. From development, design, processing to finished product manufacturing, there are dedicated people responsible for follow-up. We provide professional differentiated services throughout the process to fully meet your customized needs. Since 2003, the UPS Mould has dedicated to manufacturing and technical support for the European, American standard plastic mold parts in the industry. Pursue excellent quality, serve customers with integrity is our business philosophy and purpose of service. The UPS Mould has equipped many advanced machineries, such as 17 sets of 5-axis and 3-axis CNC machining center, 7 sets of EDM equipment, 6 sets of WEDM equipment, 2 sets of 3D assuring equipment, mold assembly, mold polishing, injection molding, precision machining, and other services. Teams of the UPS Mould are formed by many technical talents with professionals with international mold manufacturing experience. The advanced standard process management mode, high-precision production equipment, and professional technical personnel have laid a solid foundation for the UPS Mould Company's excellent products performance and efficient production capacity, being a world-class food component supplier for the plastics industry. We're looking into the future with the attitude of spirit of integrity and innovation, pragmatic and hardworking, and developing together with our customers for a win-win situation. We will create a brilliant tomorrow together. Becoming your strategic partner is our pursuit. UPS Mould.